Hello everyone, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel, English with Hilmi. Today's lesson is about joining sentences with and, but. So, let's get started. Joining sentences with and. And can be used to join two sentences that give similar information. We are going to see some examples. James went to the party on Saturday. James went to the park on Sunday. As you notice that these two sentences have similar information or give similar information. So James went to the party on Saturday and he went to the park on Sunday. So and join two sentences that give similar information. And can also be used to join two sentences when the second sentence gives additional information. Of course, we are going to see some examples. James went to the party. James had a good time. So as you notice, the second phrase or the second sentence gives additional information. So James went to the party and he had a good time. So and here is used to join two sentences when the second sentence gives additional information. Joining sentences with but. But can be used to join two sentences that give contrasting information or opposite information. Okay, we are going to see some examples. James went to the party. Thomas didn't go to the party. So the second sentence is the opposite of the first one. James went to the party, but Thomas didn't go to the party. So but here is used to join two sentences that give contrasting information or opposite information. As you notice that James went to the party, but Thomas didn't go to the party. Eliminating repeated words and phrases. Sentences with and or but often have repeated subjects. Repeated subjects can be eliminated. We are going to see some examples. James stayed home and James cleaned his room. As you notice that we have here repeated subjects. James. So James stayed home and cleaned his room. So and is used or but is used to eliminate repeated subjects. Sentences with and or but often have repeated verbs. Repeated verbs can be eliminated. We are going to see some examples. He went to the party on Saturday. He went to the party on Sunday. As you notice that we have here repeated verbs. The verb to go. Went. So he went to the party on Saturday and to the park on Sunday. So and is used to eliminate repeated verbs. So and is used to eliminate repeated verbs. Now we are going to do a quick check. Join the sentences with and or but If possible, omit the subjects and shorten the verb. The first one, I stayed in a hotel. Tom didn't stay in a hotel. So what is the correct answer? Great. Yes, I stayed in a hotel, but Tom didn't. We saw Jane. We didn't hang out with her. Yes, what is the right answer? Yes, of course. We saw Jane, but didn't hang out with her. Number 3, Paulo went to the gym. I went with him. Yes, can you give me the right answer? Yes, of course. Paulo went to the gym and I went with him. For the fourth one, Sanhil or Sanhi visited Paris. Sanhi visited Paris. Sanghai didn't visit Paris. What is the right answer? Yes, of course. Sanhi visited Paris, but Sanghai didn't. Thanks for your watching.